Good morning, students. This is your English language class. As we were studying nouns, today also we are going to continue with the types or kinds of noun. As you all know that there are two kinds of noun. One is common noun and another is proper noun. So, let's review the proper noun one more time. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. For example, name of a particular person, Kapil, name of a particular place, Europe, name of a particular day, month, that is Sunday, January. And common noun, a common noun denotes a person, place, animal or thing in general. So, in general, name of people will be doctor, tailor, teacher. Animal will be lion, giraffe, tiger, etc. These are all we have already discussed about common noun and proper noun in our previous classes. Today, I will give you a worksheet related to common noun and proper noun. That is very easy. You can see here, one side I have written common nouns and on the other side I have wrote proper nouns. So, you are going to do side matching and you have to match the common nouns with the proper noun. Suppose first one, for example, country. Country is a common noun because we are not making we are not marking any particular name. Country may be any country. So, on one side, country is a common noun and on the other side, I have written Japan. That is a properly called particular name of the country. So, you are going to do side matching with country and you will write on the other side just beside the country Japan. So, in this way, you are going to try all this worksheet in your grammar copy and I will give you the answers for corrections in the next class for sure. But first you will try this. Then I am going to discuss the answers later. So, like this you have also some worksheet in your book that you should solve it in your book that we have already discussed. Actually, this is a revision class. So, most of the things you have done. If you have not colored these pictures, that also you are going to complete it in your book. So, now we come to know what are nouns, what are common nouns, what are proper nouns, and with the examples of noun, we have completed the jumble words. I hope you all have enjoyed this solving jumble words because these are very easy. You can see the pictures and you can solve it. So, let's see the definitions one more time. So, naming words are name of people, animal, thing, place like man, dog, toy and market. So, this is called noun. And next, general names of people, animal, place and things are called common noun. Special names of place, animal and things are called proper noun. So, that's all for today. in the next class. I hope you will be ready with this worksheet, and we are going to discuss the answers in the next class. Thank you.